Make a number.
How can you make 5?
Super duper.
How can you make 2?
Good going.
How can you make 4?
Super.
How can you make 3?
Great job.
Which one of these is the way to make 2?
Good thinking.
Which one of these is the way to make 4?
Woohoo!
Which one of these is the way to make 3?
You're doing great.
Which pair of numbers make 3? 2 and 1.
You did it.
Which pair of numbers make 4? 3 and 1.
Bravo.
Which pair of numbers make 2? 1 and 1.
Woohoo!
Which one of these is the way to make 5?
Great job.
Which one of these is the way to make 4?
Good job.
Which pair of numbers make 5? 2 and 3.
Awesome.
Which pair of numbers make 3? 2 and 1.
Great job.
How can you make 4?
Good going.
How can you make 2?
Bravo. Let's play a game.
Bricklayer. Matt, the alligator, has to build the wall before sunset. Help Matt by choosing the number to correctly complete the equation.
2. 4 equals 2 plus 2. 1. 3 equals 2 plus 1.
Well done!